In this video, I will walk you through how to get your first 1,000 YouTube subscribers, 4,000 watch hours, and get monetized on YouTube within the next 30 days. It's very, very possible because I have seen creators get monetized in less than 20. So it is very, very possible for you to get monetized in less than 30 days. I'm Vishem, copywriter and digital marketer using psychology and words to drive sales for small businesses and content creators. Mind you, what I'm about to share with you is something I learned studying over 50 top YouTube creators and what really worked for them. I focused on their top performing videos to identify a pattern that helps them go viral within a short period of time. And that is what I'm going to be sharing with you in this video. I will tell you what you should be doing right now because you need to be strategic to actually win on YouTube, because posting content alone won't get you anywhere, and that's the truth. One guarantee is that after watching this video, you will know exactly what you should be doing to help your videos go viral or to get monetized in less than 30 days. The first thing I want you to do is to pick a particular day where you will post a content for every 1 hour. This will help you to identify what time your audience are more likely to engage with your videos. Then you double down by creating content and posting on that particular day. The videos can actually be 2 minutes long or just short form content. It's just for you to identify what time your video are likely to perform well. Once you figure out what time your audience are engaging, then you can use that for future videos to create and post at that particular time that most of your followers are active on YouTube. There are lots of content online that tells you to post at 10 a.m. or 10 p.m. or 5 p.m. whatever time is, but you need to figure out what time is okay for your own content, and that is why you have to pick a specific day to actually post content for every 1 hour to actually identify this pattern and build on it. I know you've never had anybody tell you this, but you need to be strategic, and that is why you need to figure out what actually works. That involves you creating content every 1 hour to help you identify your peak period. Then you can double down on that. The next stage for you to get your first 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours, and get monetized in less than 30 days is to use curiosity in your titles. Yes, curiosity is one of the easiest ways to get people to click to watch a video. If you go on YouTube right now and search anything, and you will notice that the top performing videos are mostly curiosity in your content, which makes people want to click or to know exactly what this person is talking about. And that is what you're going to use for your content to actually get monetized in less than 30 days. So I'm going to be giving you 2 ways to do it, which is the original way and the copy tweak. And to do the copy tweak, all you just have to do is type a particular topic that you want to talk about on YouTube. Pick the most performing one on that particular topic and rewrite your own topic or title to look similar to that particular one that went viral on YouTube. And that's the way you create a similar content that is likely to go viral, just like the one you saw. If you don't want to use the copy tweak and you want to create your own original title, I'm going to give you 3 ways to actually achieve this. There are 3 things your title should contain in order for it to be very, very addictive. Number 1 is applying pain. Number 2 is a promise. And number 3 is time. Let's assume you're a YouTube growth creator and you want somebody to click on a video that you will have titles like "not monetized yet, do this in the next 7 days." This type of title is likely to get you a lot of clicks because 1, it contains pain, it contains promise, and it is time based. Next stage of what you should be implementing in your videos to actually get the 1,000 YouTube subscribers in less than 30 days is to include gestures and friendly smile. As a content creator, you need to learn how to connect with people simply by being energetic in your content. So using energy in your videos can actually help you get more people to connect with you and help you grow your page. The next thing you will want to do is to use tags for your video description. Let's assume you've recorded your videos and you want to post it on YouTube. The next thing is for you to write a very descriptive caption that include searchable keywords and hashtags in your video description. It is very, very important because it will help YouTube to even expand the reach of your video. Include tags in your YouTube channel itself. There's a particular place in your YouTube setting that you have to put your channel tags. These channel tags help your videos to get to the right audience, and YouTube most of the time uses this to know exactly who your channel is for and who you're creating videos for. Like mentioning some keywords in your videos, just like this one you're watching. If you notice, I've been mentioning 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours, and YouTube monetization. This makes it easy for people looking for YouTube monetization to see the video. People looking to grow their accounts can also be able to see this video. As a friend, I would rather advise you to focus more on building a community than chasing YouTube monetization. Most of these people that get millions views don't actually make enough money compared to people who have like 500 followers that are very, very engaged, who patronize what they sell in their videos. In my next video, I'll be focusing on teaching you how to build a community that actually engages with your content. We also learn how to sell to your community rather than just chasing YouTube views and likes. Simply focus on solving real world problems. Pick a problem that you know that your followers actually want to solve. Talk about it. And that's exactly how you start building a community of people that actually engages with your content. And I want you to start building that now. So in my next video, I'm going to mainly focus on teaching you how to build a community of like-minded people who actually engages and connects with your content. So subscribe and ask me questions in the comment section, and I'll be willing to help. Also, every week I'll be giving a shout out to my top 5 active followers.